I'm Darius McDermott, Managing Director of Chelsea Financial Services, and I'm delighted to be joined today by Stuart Rhodes, Manager of the M&G Global Dividend Fund. Stuart, hi.
Hi.
Tell our clients how it is that you've managed to grow the income so successfully on the fund over the last 10 years since launch.
Well, growing the income, the distribution to our unit holder base is a key priority for the fund, and really we go about that by investing in underlying companies that are capable of growing their dividend every year. So, every single investment that goes onto the fund, we are thinking about what the dividend is going to be rather than necessarily what it is today. So we place a huge amount of emphasis on the ability for a business to pay you a bigger dividend in year 3, 4, 5 and 6 than what we necessarily get today. And that emphasis means that we've had structural growth of dividends coming through the portfolio, and that's what's funded that growing income stream to the underlying client base since we launched in 2008.
And whereabouts are you finding dividend opportunities as we look into 2019?
Well, the fourth quarter was really quite a difficult sort of period for markets. As we all know, the markets fell quite a long way in Q4, and that is really an opportunity for us to try and pick out really fast growing businesses. Normally buying fast growth businesses is difficult because they're valued fairly highly. But we tend to get opportunities to invest in these companies during periods of market weakness, and in the end of 2018 really presented that. So we've been really dusting off a lot of the files of our fast growth companies to try and take advantage of that price weakness.
So some opportunistic times with difficult markets in Q4 of 2018.
Absolutely, and really this has been the first time in a while. So the last time we had this opportunity was in 2016 with the likes of Brexit and Donald Trump's election, which created quite a lot of volatility within the markets. And then we had quite a benign period for a while up until the fourth quarter of last year. So the fourth quarter of last year is really the first chance we've had since 2016 to buy good growth businesses.
And then just maybe a little bit of an outlook on a global basis for dividend type companies for the year ahead?
Really, geographically we see just sort of a good spread. The US is a big part of the fund and has been consistently for the 10 years we've been going, and we really see that being again the cornerstone of getting some reliable dividend growth for 2019, as we've had in 2018, 17, 16 and the years before that. So the US is an important block for the fund, but we also see opportunities in most markets, quite frankly. Asian stock markets were generally quite weak in 2018, so that's provided a bit more opportunity maybe there than normal, but on the whole it's a pretty broad spread.
Thank you, Stuart.
Thank you.
The M&G Global Dividend Fund has been on the Chelsea core selection for the last 10 years and delivered excellent total returns and income growth for our clients.